Kaleshwaram Commission report పై చర్చ హాట్ గా జరిగింది. బీఆర్ఎస్ బీజేపీ ఎంఐఎం సభ్యులు ప్రభుత్వానికి పలు ప్రశ్నలు సంధించారు. వాటికి సమాధానమిచ్చిన రేవంత్ రెడ్డి పేరు మార్చి ఊరు మార్చి దోపిడీకి పాల్పడ్డారని ఆరోపించారు. కాళేశ్వరం ప్రాజెక్టులో చోటు చేసుకున్న అవినీతి అవకతవకల అంశాలపై కఠిన చర్యలు తీసుకుంటామన్నారు. ఈ విషయంలో ఎవరిని వదిలేదే లేదని హెచ్చరించారు.
మా ఉద్దేశం మేము చాలా స్పష్టంగా సభలో చెప్పాము. ఇది ప్రభుత్వం యొక్క ఆలోచన. తప్పనిసరిగా ఎవరెవరు అభిప్రాయాలు వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన తర్వాత డెఫినెట్గా ప్రభుత్వం తీసుకోవాల్సిన చర్యలు నిర్ణయాలు डेफिनेटली తీసుకుంటుంది అధ్యక్ష.
और जो बड़े बड़े कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं उनका भी नाम लाइए, उनको भी सजा दीजिए. बड़े कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को क्यों छुपाते हैं? कोई नहीं बोला सर, कोई नहीं बोला सर. Again I am saying sir, and those big contractors have given electoral bonds to Congress, given electoral bonds to BRS. The only party which never got, they also gave to BJP sir, BJP also. The only party जिनको नहीं मिला ये कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी, MIM पार्टी. तो अब आप बोलिए सर, व्हाई नॉट द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, व्हाई ओनली एलएनटी सर? सर मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हुकूमत सख्त से सख्त नोट लेगी. वो जो करप्ट प्रैक्टिसेस में इन्वॉल्व है उनके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई करेगी. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि कालेश्वरम प्रोजेक्ट के ताल्लुक से आप एक वाज़ेह बात कह दीजिए. क्या आर यू गोइंग टू स्क्रैप दिस प्रोजेक्ट? आर यू गोइंग टू स्टॉप दिस प्रोजेक्ट? आर यू गोइंग टू लेट गो दिस प्रोजेक्ट? और यू आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू दिस प्रोजेक्ट? Kindly give an answer, sir.
MIM फ्लोर लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब ने कुछ चीजें ये इंक्वायरी कमीशन रिपोर्ट में जो लिखा है, सरकार ये रिपोर्ट जो टेबल किए, जो चर्चा के लिए हम मौका दिए, उन्हें समझने में कुछ गलतफहमी हो गए. We have told, we have given assurance to 4 crore Telangana people, saying that we have told at the time of election, we wanted to appoint a sitting judge inquiry on this Medigadda Annaram Sundilla barrages. We have requested to Telangana High Court to spare one sitting High Court judge. They have refused to appoint a High Court judge. They don't want to spare any High Court judge. Then they have given a suggestion. Why don't you take a retired justice? Then Congress party, government of Telangana has appointed a senior most Supreme Court judge, Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. He has worked combined Andhra Pradesh Chief Justice. He has worked Supreme Court judge. He has worked in Calcutta High Court. Same time, he has worked first Lokpal Commission Chairman. So his integrity, he has addressed Shashikala case, Jayalalitha case. He has given many judgments. Then we have appointed one-man commission, PC Ghosh Commission. He has taken almost 1.5 years time. He has examined everything. अकबर साहब ने ये कह रहा है कि एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट आप नहीं दिए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट आप नहीं दिए, काग रिपोर्ट आप नहीं दिए, फिर पीसी घोष ने कहां से ये पूरा लेकर कहां से वो रिपोर्ट लिखेगा? सर वी हैव गिवन एवरीथिंग. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू करेक्ट यू records. Sir, he has referred everything. NDSA report, he has referred vigilance and enforcement report. You go through this. See, Akbar Sahab, ये आप पूरा पढ़ो. साहब, 656 page number. You go through that page. The Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement submitted interim report on 2/8/2024 and further informed the government through letter dated 38/2/2024 that as directed by the government, it is restricting its inquiry to Medigadda barrage only through letter so and so date has placed before the commission the final report, Director General Vigilance and Enforcement, Medigadda barrage. The government has produced a document mentioned in the list annexed to this said letter. However, it is reported through the said letter that the placement registers of birth pertaining to all components. Dam safety report also is there. I'm quoting 658 page number. You take that book, report. We have given hard copy to Akbaruddin Owaisi Saab. Aap kaap le lo. Report of the National Dam Safety Authority. Before dealing with the report of the National Dam Safety Authority, it is necessary to refer to the directions of this commission. Sri G. Anil Kumar, Engineering Chief General, wrote letter so-and-so, committee on 2024, dated 3/6/2024, enclosing therewith interim technical suggestions on the rectification works related to the barrages of the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project based on the site visit observations on 1/6/2024 by expert committee constituted wide government memo, so-and-so. The letter reads thus, anent to the reference second cited, and he has given everything. The report includes to the said letter reads thus. साहब आप पूरा रिपोर्ट पढ़ो. साहब मैं बोल रहा हूं, मेरा सरकार ने सबमिट किया. NDSA report we have given to commission. NDSA report we have given vigilance and enforcement report to the commission. And CAG report I have submitted. Officially we have submitted. Page report of the Comptroller Auditor General of India. This report is prepared for submission to the Governor under Article 151 of the Constitution of India for being laid before legislature of the state. The preface to report 1 of 2024 read thus. This report pertaining to the state of Telangana has been prepared for submission to the Governor under Article 151 of the Constitution of India for being laid before legislature of the state. There is a complete report is there. I don't want to waste your time. So I would request, you have to understand, this report is comprehensively the commission has submitted. This is inquiry commission. He has not adjudicated, he is not judge of this case. He is the commission, say one-man commission. This is the inquiry commission. It is appointed under inquiry commission. He has recommended everything, he has taken into consideration every report, NDSA report, vigilance and enforcement department has submitted everything to the commission. Not only that, they have called civil society, they have called experts, they have called everyone, they have taken into consideration everyone's report plea.
My leader of the house, who got so angry. Hey, theek hai. I was laughing and I was speaking. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I would like to refer to the page number. Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I request the learned people of the learned government, headed by a learned leader, Mr. Revanth Reddy Saab. Sir, about report of the Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement, page number 655, sir. Sir, in that second paragraph, page 655. It is reported by the government to this commission that the Vigilance and Enforcement Director seized the records pertaining to Madigadda, Anaram and Sundila barrage. Right, sir? Yes. Now, going to the next page, sir. Sir, it is restricted its inquiry to Madigadda barrage only, it says. Go to page number 667, sir. In the above facts and circumstances, this commission, now listen, last paragraph, page number 657. In the above fact and circumstances, the commission does not prefer to review the interim report and the final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take appropriate steps pursuant to the said report in accordance with the law. Sir, now what? My research and my reading and my understanding, it is understood that the vigilance report was not commented by the commission, stating that in the term of references, they are not being set to study the vigilance report. So, and
again, no, Akbar Saab, जब हम कमीशन अपॉइंट किए, एक मिनट, नहीं, आप एक के ऊपर आप ऐसे बोलते गए ना, लोग मेरा इंटीग्रिटी को भी चेक करने के लिए मौका मिलेंगे। I have appointed this commission GOMS number 6 dated 14/3/2024. मेरा सरकार बने December 7, 2023. Within 2.5 months, I have appointed this commission. Vigilance and enforcement तब तक कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं दिए, उसके बाद विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट कमीशन रिपोर्ट दिए, उसके बाद वो रिपोर्ट हम कमीशन को भेज दिए। जिस दिन हम अपॉइंटमेंट किए विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट का रिपोर्ट ही नहीं है। मैं कैसा इस जीओ में TOR में टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस में मैं कैसा लिखूं? हाउ कम यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट वी हैव टू इंक्लूड एवरीथिंग इन दिस जीओ? आई एम ऑन रिकॉर्ड, गवर्नमेंट सबमिटेड विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट to commission of inquiry officially. I have submitted officially vigilance and enforcement report as well NDSA report. आप मेरा ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट देके एक्नॉलेजमेंट लिए मैं भाई, आप मेरा हाथ से काम किए, आप नहीं बोल रहे, मैं क्या बोलूं आपको? मैं क्या बोलूं? आप ऐसा बोले तो मैं भाई, आप अकबर साहब, ये जीवो कब दिया? मैं विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट कब दिया वो दे दो साहब। अकबर साहब आप समझ रहे नहीं, जिस दिन हम लोग ये कमीशन ऑफ इंक्वायरीज डाला उस दिन विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट नहीं थे। 18 महीने इंक्वायरी होने के बाद NDSA फाइनल रिपोर्ट आ गए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट फाइनल रिपोर्ट आ गए, सब हम लोग कमीशन को सबमिट किए। उसके बाद ही KCR को बुलाया, हरीश को बुलाया, बाकी लोगों को बुलाया, सबका सुझाव लिए, सबका सुना, अपना खुद का गाना गा दिए कमीशन। हम भी यही काम करना चाह रहे, सबका सुनने का है, हमारे गाना हम गाने वाले। अभी गाने के लिए मौका ही नहीं दिया, आप सीधा घुस के मार दे रहे, इधर उधर गोली चला रहे भाई।